Meaning of disaffection.
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 Disaffection. Disaffection refers to a feeling of alienation or lack of loyalty towards a particular person, group, or ideology. It can result from several factors like personal beliefs, social and political issues, or dissatisfaction with leadership. Disaffection often leads to negative consequences such as decreased productivity, low morale, and even protests or strikes within an organization. It can also have severe implications for political stability, as disaffected citizens may resort to violence or civil unrest to express their frustration with the government or ruling powers.